It's very hard to video 6 puppies.
Huh?
It's hard to video 6 puppies.
I gotta go back to Walmart. I bought some shorts that I was gonna use for bathing suits. They're too big.
Oh no. Hunter, come here, Hunter. Hunter, come here and lay down with the babies. Come here. Sit down. Sit. Hunter, sit. Hunter, sit down. Hey, sit. They think he's their mama. He said, okay, I don't want no part of that. Hunter, sit down.
Sit.
Hunter. He's going to try to get him to come play with that stick. Never mind. Okay.
So you got them all marked.
Yeah. Okay, babies.